What is macro, and when and how should you use it? Simply put, the macro will allow you to focus on objects that are close to the camera. Let's investigate the focal range of the lens on the JVC more closely. Focal range is the distance the lens can focus on. The focal range of the JVC is 2.9 feet to infinity, meaning the camera can focus on objects starting at 2.9 feet away from the lens all the way to infinity. If you want to focus on something really close up, between the lens and the 2.9 feet the lens will begin to focus on objects, you need to put the lens in macro. Macro will allow you to focus on objects between 3/8 inches to 2.9 feet away from the lens. If you are shooting objects close to the lens, be careful not to scratch the lens. Let's look at the side of the camera. The macro is located at the back of the lens. Be careful not to adjust the back focus by mistake. This will throw the lens out of calibration. To engage macro, push in the macro button and rotate the macro ring until your subject becomes in focus. To take the lens out of macro mode, turn the macro ring until you hear it click. You can now focus on objects 2.9 feet to infinity. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 215-641-6477 or by email at techservices@mc3.edu.